and face-to-face workshops in your schools. But due to the coronavirus pandemic, our gurus are unable to come to your schools to hold workshops and teach you. So we are now holding specially designed digital workshops for all of you. At Virsa, it is our endeavor to give you the experience of a virtual classroom through technology in the comfort of your home. The format of Virsa's digital workshops will include the following parts: lecture, demonstration, teaching session, listening to and seeing performances by students, and question and answer round. Kindly note, please keep the camera of your device switched on during the workshop, and please keep your mic on mute and only unmute it when your name is taken by the teacher for interaction with you. Thank you. Good morning. विरसा की डिजिटल वर्कशॉप में आपका स्वागत है। अब तक विरसा आपके स्कूलों में फिजिकल और फेस टू फेस वर्कशॉप आयोजित करता रहा है, लेकिन कोरोना वायरस महामारी के कारण हमारे गुरु फिजिकल वर्कशॉप करने में असमर्थ हैं। इसलिए हम अब आप सभी के लिए विशेष रूप से डिजाइन की गई डिजिटल वर्कशॉप आयोजित कर रहे हैं। विरसा द्वारा टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करके वर्चुअल क्लासरूम का ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस आपके घरों में देने के लिए प्रयत्न किया जा रहा है। विरसा की डिजिटल वर्कशॉप्स की रूपरेखा इस प्रकार है: लेक्चर, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, टीचिंग सेशन, स्कूल के बच्चों का परफॉर्मेंस और क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर राउंड। कृपया ध्यान दें, वर्कशॉप के दौरान अपने डिवाइस के कैमरे को स्विच्ड ऑन ही रखें और कृपया अपने माइक को म्यूट पर रखें और केवल तभी अनम्यूट करें जब आपका नाम आपके साथ बातचीत के लिए शिक्षक द्वारा लिया जाए। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, welcome to today's Virsa workshop. My name is Adarsh Nair. I am a disciple of Guru Ayur Professor T.V. Manikandan, and today we'll be learning a bit about Carnatic music. We'll learn a bit of theory and also, sir. So we'll learn about the theory and also some we'll also learn a kriti. So let's delve right into it. I hope all of you can hear me and see me all right. Can I get a thumbs up for that? If you can see me, hear me. Okay, wonderful. So today I want to talk about the concept of tala in Carnatic music. What is tala? Where do we get that word and what is it, right? So tala is again a very ancient concept. The word tala itself is very ancient. It has found mention in the Natya Shastra by Bharata. So Natya Shastra, as you might is a treatise which was written by Bharata, and it is supposed to be the earliest work on music. So it was basically mostly on what do you call the theatre and dance and everything, but there was a section devoted to music also, and because it was primarily on the theatre, so there were a lot of disciplines happening simultaneously, you know. So as we learnt earlier, Geetam, Vadyam, Nrityam iti Sangeetam Uchate, right? So all three needs to come together to be Sangeetam. So for that, there has to be something which connects all of them, right? So music, a vocalist is different in a way, an instrumentalist may play differently, and a dancer also is doing something else. So what intervenes all of them is the tala, the rhythm or the cycle as we call it, right? So this cycle is what we call the tala, the thing which binds everything together. Okay. Okay. Yeah. उसको बंद कर दो प्लीज, जसीद बंद कर दो उसको. Okay, so yeah, that was that. So yes, so tala has many aspects, right? So as I said, tala is something which connected all the art forms which were related to music and dance together, right? So this was a basic arithmetic, but obviously the ancient treatise goes like that. We had many talas, we had hundreds of talas and hundreds of ways of putting talas. So that the laya portion of the tala is not countable, right? It is not tangible. How it becomes tangible is when we put tala in our hand. It's a visual representation of laya. Okay, we bind it in such a manner that it becomes one, and it is repetitive. It can be repeated. So if the laya goes like 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, it goes like that. If we have to bind it or make it tangible in some form, we have to do what? We give it a form, and that form is called tala. Okay, so the most basic tala is adi tala, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this is one of the talas, right? Adi tala. So we are taught that there used to be 108 talas